Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has gained 1.2% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has turned positive. Bitcoin has gained 1.9% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has moved sharply into the overbought zone. The price of gold has gained 1.6% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned sharply into the overbought area. The price of crude oil has added 1.4% in the last two sessions. The RSI has moved into positive territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Gold tagged a fresh record high on the first day of trade for August as geopolitical tensions continue to drive investors into safe havens. The U.S. dollar rallied strongly versus the major currencies overnight, notably against the Japanese yen, which weakened by over 1.20%. Ripple, which is now the third most valuable crypto asset by market capitalization, recently unlocked 1 billion XRP.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 700 GMT. The U.S. ADP non-farm employment change at 10:15 GMT. The U.S. trade balance at 10:30 GMT. The Canadian trade balance at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. market composite PMI at 11:45 GMT. And the U.S. services PMI at 11:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.